Mom and dad lied when they told you I was lifeless. What's this? Someone in the main office hanging out after hours? How obnoxious. Watching us on his monitor, preposterous. Time to wake the others, now we'll show him who the boss is. Call me Freddy, I'm the Teddy with the camera. When I see a big like yours, I remember. Make it through the night and I think they'll give you tenure. And you can be part of Freddy's family forever. Someone's got a major bubble brain, so I hope you know me. Stay on the way. If you're scared, give your resume another day. Let's just break it so we make it minimal way.
Isn't that enough reason to get the f*** out? Listen up, guys, this gig ain't for me.
But we're having such fun and we'd hate you to leave. You might mistake us for hostile monstrosities, but accidents will happen when you got a lot of teeth. You've got a birthday, let us make it right. It's so exciting when a party stops by for a bite. We wait all night